is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you are new here. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be unboxing and reviewing Molly-Mae's new collab with Cosmetips. Molly-Mae recently just launched her own beauty box with Cosmetips, and it is supposed to be all of her favorite and most loved products, so I'm really excited to try them all out for myself. Before we jump into it, if you're new here, I'd absolutely love it if you consider subscribing to my channel. It is completely free, and if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later, but I hope you won't. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you're notified every single time I upload a video. Now, without further ado, let's unbox. So a little up close of the packaging. It looks like this, really pretty watercolor detailing. She said she was very particular about her packaging, all the way down to like the tissue paper and all of that, so she has designed all of this herself. So on the website, I paid 110 pounds for this, which might seem kind of pricey, but the estimated retail value is 320 pounds, so it's actually a pretty good deal. It's 66% off. So as soon as you open it, you have this little kind of brochure packet, and it pretty much just tells you all of the products in this packet. It is nice because you can kind of go through and read about why she chose them, and some of them actually do have her own personal discount code, so if you want to purchase just these products individually, some of them do have her 20% off coupon, so that's nice too. The tissue packaging looks like this. It's a pretty little like lipstick sticker going on there. I'm not the best unboxer, so we're gonna just give it a whirl. Oh, it's really pretty. It's like a hot pink. Love me some pink. So this is what we're working with. That's my bad side. We're gonna try to get on this side. We have a brush set going on. We have a vitamin C rich hydration cream, soothing apricot toner, a lipstick, a retinol eye serum, a mascara, and we have the Huda Beauty Eyeshadow Palette, which I will be opening in just a second. So it is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk Eyeshadow Palette. I know this is like a favorite with a lot of influencers and beauty gurus. I've actually never tried anything from Huda Beauty, so I'm pretty excited about that. Let's just start with the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. This is by the brand Sunday Riley. Again, I've never actually tried any of the Sunday Riley products. Wow, so this is an expensive cream all on its own. If I was to purchase this by itself from Cult Beauty, which is where I purchase a lot of like my skincare and stuff, it retails for 63 euro. Broke a sweat trying to get the packaging open. It looks like this. Very pretty packaging, honestly, definitely. You would expect it to be looking nice for the price. It is glass, not plastic, so good quality. Oh, and I didn't even realize this. It comes with a little kind of scoopy stick. That's definitely not the word. Skincare spoon. That sounds disgusting too. Whatever, to, you know, put on the product onto your face. That way you are not sticking your finger in, getting bacteria, contaminating it, spreading COVID all over your face. Just kidding, that's definitely not what happens. Just thinking about the cost of this is giving me high blood pressure. The moisturizer that I use is like $12, so this is how it looks. It has a little cover on the top to keep it clean, and I think I'm just gonna scoop the product off that because I don't want to waste it. It has a lemon scent, so if you are someone who does not like fragrance in your products, you might be, actually it's like an orange scent. Citrus. It's not that strong though, so I think you can live. Well, I mean, I hope you'll live, but you may choose to live without it. Let's just, that was definitely way too much. Okay, let's just, you know, moisturize the neck, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it definitely smells like oranges, but I don't mind it. Wow, that's very hydrating. My skin is going to be very hydrated today, considering I moisturized right before this because I forgot I had a moisturizer in here. If you are someone that gets oily from moisturizing, or you don't have super dry skin, this may not be for you. I think she did say her skin is very dry, so she likes a thick, hydrating moisturizer. My skin's normal. It's not oily or dry. I guess would you call that combination skin? I don't know. Definitely very hydrating. It is borderline looking a bit oily on my skin. I'd probably use this as like a night cream just for the fact that I probably wouldn't want to put makeup over this on a normal everyday basis. Now let's move on to the Murad Retinol Youth Eye Serum, which again looks like this. Okay, so it is like plastic acrylic packaging. This is how it looks right out of the box. It is pretty. I do like the silver and the green. It's very like fresh and, you know, it does make you want to use it. So I'm just gonna pump it out onto my hand. It is like a yellow consistency. It just has like a fresh scent, nothing crazy. I'm just gonna dab a little bit under each eye. I think one pump is all you probably will need for this. And just very lightly blending that out with my ring finger. Always use your ring finger. It is your most gentle finger. And you don't want to be pulling at the skin around your eye. Guys, I just Googled the price of this. The Retinol Youth Eye Serum by Murad is €86.50. I think I just had an aneurysm. That is literally insane. This better like make me flawlessly beautiful. Like my eyes better like just suck up any wrinkles. I better go back to looking like I'm 18 years old again. BRB, I'm evaporating right now. Moving on to the Elmis Soothing Apricot Facial Toner. It says, for delicate skin, soothes, calms, and refreshes. So just the box looks like this. Let's see what the ingredients are in here. It has fragrance in it, and apricot fruit extract is the very last ingredient. So that tells me that there's almost no apricot in here. You usually want whatever they're claiming the product is to be high up on the list. Right out of the box, just looks like this. You know, it's like a yellow color. It's pretty. Plastic. The other thing that people were saying that they were complaining about, like on her video where she kind of like talked about her products, is they were saying that she was using products that they don't normally see her use in her videos. Now, I'm gonna be honest, when I watch her videos, I'm not really paying super close attention to the products she's using. I'm kind of just like paying attention to how pretty she looks and like her outfit and all that fun stuff. But they do say that she always uses the Pixie toner, and they've never seen her use this toner. So they were saying like, oh, she, you know, she's using products that aren't really that popular or like being phased out. That's why the brands were allowing her to use them for such discounted prices in her box. I don't know if any of that's really true. Maybe she just recently started using this and she really liked it. It does smell real nice, I will say that. So let's just go ahead and give her a little Mr-roo. Oh God. Oh my God, that smells amazing. I think I would wear this as a perfume. That is the nicest smelling cosmetic product, skincare, hair, anything I have ever used in my life. This is to die for. I love this. Let's see what the price point is. So on beautybay.com, it is retailing for €28. Not as scary and as intense as the other two products that we've tried so far. Still kind of pricey. It's definitely like a high-end product for a face toner. However, you could probably get away with that splurge. Maybe not the others. I don't know. I don't know how you like to spend your money. We have a whole brush set here to test out, so I'm actually pretty excited about that. It looks like a good assortment of brushes, actually. Like you have all of your blending and foundation brushes. You have all of your little eye brushes going on here. These are retailing on Beauty Bay for €73. All right, well now I realize why she was saying it was a 320-pound value. So I'm gonna go get some foundation and stuff. I wasn't really planning on doing a full face of makeup because I forgot about the brushes, but now I feel like we have to, so be right back. Okay, I just did my concealer off camera because there is no concealer brush in this brush set here. So we're going to now move on to foundation. And I'm gonna be doing a liquid foundation, so this looks like a liquid foundation brush to me. I'm not an expert. I'm just going in with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade 4.5, which is probably going to be a little dark for me, but I really wanted to use my nicer products for this video. So I may just have to blend some, you know, down the neck as well. Yeah, because that is definitely too dark for me right now. I have not self-tanned. I probably should have done some of her, you know, self-tanner prior to this video. We love a queen who's not prepared. These brushes feel really nice. They do tug your skin a little bit, but they are very soft and they don't really leave like a lot of brush hair strokes, you know? Some brushes do that. So this is nice that it's not doing that. Wow, my skin is very dewy. Maybe don't mix all of these products together. That did really apply the foundation very seamlessly though. I'm just gonna go ahead and press into the skin just to make sure it really is in place. Then I'm just going to be taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and just quickly setting under my eyes. So I guess what we can do next is contour. So I'm just going to be taking this brush here. These brushes do feel really, really nice. They're definitely good quality brushes. I mean, I don't really know much about brushes. I just have like a set from Sephora, but these are very soft. I think this was supposed to be the contour brush because it is angled, so that was my bad. I'm just going to go in now with a blush and just rosy up my cheeks. She is bringing the pigment today, honey. Okay, well we might have gone a little overboard with the blush, but that's okay. Why don't we dive into what I'm most excited about, and that is the eyeshadow palette. So the palette looks like this, really beautiful. I love the packaging. And here are the shades, absolutely beautiful range of mattes and shimmers in that beautiful desert palette. I really love these purple and orange shades. These are amazing. I'm really drawn right away to this shade here. Wow, these are stunning. And it comes with a mirror, so that's nice. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this little brush here and I'm immediately going to jump into the lightest shade in the palette called Desert Sand. Now honestly, this is kind of just like a peachy neutral. It's pretty similar to my concealer shade, so we're not seeing a ton of pigment or action going on. But that's okay. I really just wanted like a nice base. Wow, I love these purple colors. I might do a purple eye look, I don't know. I'm not normally daring with eyeshadow looks, so I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush like this. I think I'm gonna take this shade here in OUD and pick that up on this brush. It's kind of deep for a transition shade, but that's okay. Oh, that is so pretty. Wow. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, that is stunning. I'm gonna take this bigger fluffy brush without any product on it and just further buff it out because I feel like I was having trouble with that really small brush there. Just getting it to properly blend the way I wanted. Then I'm gonna take the same brush I used for the Desert Sand shade and I'm going to jump in to this really beautiful purple called Amethyst here. Wow, that is pigmented. She did not come to play. And again, I'm just buffing those colors together with that brush that I didn't add any product to. Now I think I'm gonna add a topper. I'm going to take this really pretty purple topper in the shade Twilight. I don't know if that's picking up on camera how pretty it is, but it is so shimmery. And I think I'm going to go into the slightly lighter shade here in this shimmer called Retrograde. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade Saffron and just really deepen up the outer V. And really make that brown and the purple kind of come together. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be going in with this really pretty orange shade called Amber. And I think that's really going to complete the look. Wow, what a look, honestly. I love this eyeshadow palette, definitely going to be using it a lot more. The next product we have is a mascara, which I'm super excited to try because I don't really have a lot of high-end mascaras. I have one and I don't really try them very often. So this is by Benefit. This is the Bad Gal Bang mascara. So the tube looks like this, very interesting. It's got this like spiky cap to it. Very flexible wand there. It is giving me major L'Oreal telescopic vibes, so hopefully it doesn't clump my eyelashes. So let's go ahead and test it out. Wow. Hello. Well, there's no denying that is a very lengthening mascara for sure. I'm gonna wait for any of the mascara that I got on my face to dry, and then I can just brush it away with a eyeshadow brush. Wow, so this mascara definitely meant business. That is some serious length going on. I don't know if you can see that, but that is pretty wild. So that mascara retails for about 25 euro, which is pretty standard for a high-end mascara. It's not overly crazy. The final product we have is a Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick. So this is what the packaging looks like. And I do remember this lipstick from a lot of Molly's other videos, so I know this is definitely one of her favorites. This is in the shade Prom Night. So the packaging looks like this, really pretty ombre. Oh, and it is like a magnetic one, so that's nice. Definitely good quality. And it's like a really pretty, kind of like pinky nude shade. Okay, that is a really pretty color. Definitely a soft, nice, matte formula for sure. Yeah, it looks good. It's a good pinky undertone. I don't know that I'd pair it with this eye look. It's a bit much. I think if I was going to do this bold eye, I might do like a more like warm, kind of like brownish neutral just because of the reds and the oranges in the eye look, but I think you can still get away with it. So just with a quick glance at Google, this retails for 31 US dollars. I didn't see a euro price on there. I'm sure you can find it in that, and it's probably pretty comparable. So that is kind of expensive for a lipstick. I think the most expensive lipstick I've ever bought was from MAC, and it was like $18. So I think the only product I wasn't in love with was probably the Sunday Riley Super Hydrating Face Cream, only because I don't need something that heavy, but it is really nice. It does feel nice on the skin. I think it definitely does what it's supposed to do. I just don't think it worked with my makeup look today, just because it made my foundation look a little bit more dewy / oily than I wanted. Now, obviously, she didn't put this box together saying like you need to do all these products together. That's just how I want to do it so I could test it and review all of them for you guys. So that is it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some good insight into all these products and enjoyed the makeup look as well. You know, maybe it's pushing you in the direction to purchase some of these items if you have been looking at them for a long time and you just really weren't sure. Or maybe this helped you decide not to buy stuff. I don't know. Regardless, I'll link all the products individually down below if you want to check them out for yourself. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up on your way out if you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching.